No one is gonna know. No one is gonna know. I said, no one is gonna know. Know what? No one is gonna know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Martha. On this channel, I talk about natural hair guidance, wig making tutorials, and a little bit of everything. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this masterpiece. This is something that is going to save the day anytime. If you have your hair not done, you're not comfortable, and you're going out with friends, this is something that is going to save you. And you're going to change your look from this to this to this. Let's go into the video. But before we go, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. As well, don't forget to comment, like, and share. Please share this video because it might be somebody's idea she has been waiting for to change her life. This is something so easy for someone to make, and it is something somebody might do to earn a living. So please share with a friend, and never know, somebody might change her story out of this very simple video. All right, guys, let's go deep into the video. Stay tuned and take care. I love you. So I went ahead and tied a thread around my chair, which means we are going to make the braids of head. So we are going to make the braids of head and then stitch it later. So I'm going to start braiding. And for the braiding, I made a video before, so you can go and check it out. And now, if not, you can as well watch it here, and it's so easy. You can just learn it here. So I went on and braided this hair, and then added this white one at the end. This hair is mixed with wine red, coffee brown. Then I mixed it very well, and then down there I added white. So that's the color combination. Now we're going to go ahead and start stitching, but first we're going to stitch this. There is that outer part, there's an extra part that is left on the cup, this, and then I'm going to stitch it to the cup as well. There is that extra part, you can just see it, there is no way I can explain it. So I'm going to stitch this part because this is the part I'm going to be putting the braids. So I'm going to stitch it to hold on the cup so that it's not so heavy for the cup to hold the braids. So that's what I did here. And still, don't forget, whenever you're stitching this, everything is done inside, nothing like an outside thread. Nothing is going to show that you stitched something on the cup, so it should be not seen outside the cup. So then I'm going to be using this thread. It's a different type of thread. It's not what I used to stitch before. So I'm going to get the braid and stitch it on the cup, but still, as I said, we're going to stitch it on this extra cloth that is left inside the cup. You will buy a cup and check it. Actually, if you have a cup, you can check it out, it's always there. So this is where I'm going to attach the braid, and that's much of whatever is going to be done mostly, so you can keep watching. So when we reach this part, we are going to be stitching up here. We're not going to be stitching it to this closing part. We're going to go ahead and go up there and stitch it and then come back to the way we went before. So the stitching part is done, and now what is left to be done is to make it look neat. And in the process, we're going to be cutting off the flying hair. You know, I had to mix the hair, I had to cut and mix them, so there's a lot of flyouts. So this is what we're going to be cutting off so that the hair looks really pretty and it's not itchy, it's just very, very neat. So that's the process. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and dip this hair in hot water. Hot water is always, it's a process that keeps the braids soft. So like there's a way they lie down better and they look so smooth more than when you just plait it and you don't dip it in hot water. So this is the process, and that's it. There's nothing much. So that's the process.
When the night is over